Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume in Bluetooth headphones issue on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, try to adjust the sound volume of your headphones using the volume keys of your smartphone. Tap the three dot icon at the top of the sound level bar and try adjusting just your headphones volume level and check if the sound quality has improved, and also make sure that you don't have the silence or do not disturb mode enabled on your smartphone. If you do, try to disable them and check the sound again. Also go to settings, go to Bluetooth settings, then tap on your Bluetooth device. Navigate to the very bottom of this list and try disabling keeping volume consistent option. And after disabling keeping volume consistent, try changing the volume level and try checking it once again. Now, if this doesn't help you, then in settings, instead let's go to the apps menu, and in apps let's navigate down to the Bluetooth application. Here it is. Then in this notifications menu, let's clear data, then select clear cache, tap OK. If this doesn't help you, you can also clear all data. And after that, reconnect your Bluetooth device to your smartphone by going back to Bluetooth, selecting your headphones once again, and see if this resolves the issue. And if it doesn't, then we can simply reset the network settings and reset default network settings, which should definitely help you out with this problem. But after that, you're gonna have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks and all the Bluetooth devices that you've recently been connected to. To reset all settings, we're gonna have to go to more connectivity options right here, and then select reset Wi-Fi mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap reset settings and enter your password. Tap OK. And then try reconnecting your Bluetooth device once again, and after that the problem should be solved. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.